Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video. And today we're going to show you on how to join anyone in Roblox without being their friends. Okay, so first and foremost, you'll have to open your browser and then log into your Roblox account. And at the top, you can see the search bar. So you will then just have to use this one to search for a specific user. For example, John. So just click on the John user, and then as you can see here, you can see a lot of user that is offline. So when you see this green icon below their profile, it means that they're online and they're playing. So even though you're not friends with this user, you can see a join option here, but of course before that we have to use an extension. So in order to have an extension, we will have to close this tab first and then create a new tab and then type out the web Chrome and then click on a search icon. Now you can see this linked here or this website, so you will then just have to click on it and then use the search bar to search for row searcher. Okay, that's right. Then click on enter. So this one. Okay, you can see here the join game option when you add this extension. Now that you found this, just click on the add to Brave option. This one at the top right of your screen, then click on add extension. So right after that, when you finally add the extension and then open your Roblox and then try to search for a specific user that is not your friend, you would be able to join their game. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful quick how-to videos next time. Adios.